Today, we'll be making a delicious sausage party with all the works. It's easy to make and perfect for any occasion. Here's what you'll need. 1 pound of ground beef. 1 pound of ground pork. 1 tablespoon of salt. 1 tablespoon of black pepper. 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. 1 tablespoon of onion powder. 1 tablespoon of paprika. 1 tablespoon of dried oregano. 1 tablespoon of dried thyme. 1 teaspoon of cumin. 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. 1/4 cup of ice water. 6 to 8 natural casings. Now that we have all our ingredients, let's get started. The first step is to combine the ground beef and pork in a large mixing bowl. Next, we'll add all of the spices to the meat mixture. Don't be afraid to get in there and mix it all together with your hands. Now we'll add the ice water to the meat mixture. This will help the sausages stay moist and juicy while they cook. While the meat mixture is resting, we'll soak the natural casings in warm water for about 30 minutes. This will make them more pliable and easier to work with. Now it's time to stuff the meat mixture into the casings. Make sure to pack the casings tightly with the meat mixture, leaving some room at the ends to tie them off. Finally, we'll cook the sausages on a grill or in a pan until they're browned on the outside and cooked through on the inside. And there you have it, a delicious sausage party that's perfect for any occasion. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.